going to show you how to do a really popular style at the moment. It's a very soft, textured bun. So you've got the hair with a little bit of texture, and you're going to bring all the hair back. Let's get it into a nice little band, just a soft ponytail. All the way through. Pull out your little bits here to get it all nice and soft. Working slowly so you don't pull out the wrong bits of hair. Then we're going to get the hair and start to secure that twist here to the hair. So hold it with your hands and just use your bobby pins at the back of the hair to grip the hair. So we're going to end up with a lovely kind of knotted loose style, and we're just working with the hair in a little twist. It's just a twisted knot. Making sure that each section of hair is secure before you move on to the next. We'll get ourselves a lovely little low, soft bun. Keep pulling and loosening the hair. Take your time and keep on pulling until you achieve the look you want. Pop a little accessory in. In, out, up and over, finding secure hair so that your accessories are nice and secure. And we've got a lovely little soft, messy, pulled out bun.